Hi ma'am. We are giving presentation of on behalf of Group J. The topic is movie Mania, where we are searching over IMDb dataset and we are showing our results based on certain sorting criteria. So our team members are Dylan, Ravi, Aman, and Seham. So first I'll talk about project architecture. So here we are taking the dataset from Kaggle and then importing it into Hadoop ecosystem, and we are writing shell scripts in Apache Pig to extract and load the data. So the processing of data has been done. From there, where we are removing unwanted characters and leading and trailing spaces, and then we are storing the dataset in Hadoop cluster HDFS, and then importing it again into Hive databases. So we faced an issue with Hive, which was not quite compatible with Django framework. So we had to import it into MySQL database. And I'll talk about something about Django. So we have used Django framework over here, which uses Python, and it follows MVC architecture and offers an abstraction layer for manipulating and structuring data that has been used for front-end application. So I'll explain a bit about our data set. So this is our data set where you can see the director names, movie names, their Facebook likes, their gross budget, the budget and the gross money they made, the IMDb links, the title year, etc. So we had a lot of text fields over there which needed processing. So we used Apache Pig for processing, and we loaded into a variable, and then again we cleaned the data for unwanted characters and stuff. We have also used for trimming Microsoft Excel, and we stored the data into SDFS. After that, we imported the data into Hive, as I told. So you can see our Apache queries, Apache Hive queries. So we have created a table here in Apache Hive. Yeah, and we're showing the results here. But we have also created MySQL databases because Apache Hive was not pretty much compatible with our Django framework. Now, Aman will talk about the web application.
I am taking this presentation from Ravi. I am Aman Singla. I will be describing about the demo of web application. This is the web application we have created. In this you can see that we are running this web application on local host. You can also see that we have described many categories of films in this web application like all, action, adventure, animation, etc. etc. We have also given the custom search option. In this custom search option, we have given a user to choose over four types of movies like three movies, 5 movies, 8 movies, or 10 movies. And we have given option for popularity, budget, date, and duration also, in which he can filter by the option. Now I am going to present you the popularity, three, and all, and submit it. Shawshank Redemption comes on the first number. Shawshank Redemption, we have given a Wikipedia page link over it. So Shawshank Redemption information comes over it, and you can read all the information from Wikipedia page. Now we have given the director name also, and we have connected the Wikipedia page of the director name also. You can read all the information of director from this Wikipedia page. Now we have given read more option also. In with this read more option, we have connected it to IMDb page, in which you can see trailers and read all the information and ratings of IMDb also, to which describes about this movie. We have given the genres also like crime, drama, etc. etc. Second movie comes out to be Godfather. Third movie comes out to be Schindler's List. Now I will go to the popular from popularity to budget. Now this page comes when all movies are selected with budget option. Now Avatar comes up to be first. His director is James Cameron. Pirates of Caribbean Part 1 comes out to be second with Gore Verbinski, and Dark Knight comes out to be third. Now we are going to select 3 to 5, and from budget to popularity and to animation. Now this page comes when animation is clicked. We see that Zootopia comes out to be first, Beauty and Beast comes out to be second, Ghost in the Shell comes out to be third, Kubo and the Two Strings comes out to be fourth, and Mona comes out to be fifth. Now I will describe something about our code. This is the folder for our movie project. This is the main folder which contains migrations, static and templates folder. I'll go to views or py file. Here you can see that we have imported 4 libraries, and you can see that we have built a code for JSON also, and you can see that we have built a code for MySQL queries also. This is select all from table where movie title like search coming from the down below, and all this code comes for the views.py file. Now I'll go to templates. Now I'll show you index.html file. This is the code for index.html file. You can see that this code comes from that views.py file and this JSON. Now I will describe about challenges where we were unable to connect Apache Hive server to Django framework because individual configurations files are missing. You can see that we have started the Hive server, but many of the errors are coming like this, like could not connect to any of the ports, like this. We have learned from certain tutorials and technical documents that Hive should not be preferred as a database of choice while developing websites with Django. Instead, relational databases such as MySQL and Postgres are used. So we then switched to MySQL as a database. Now I will describe about the future work in we have in the abstraction phase. We have given that we can make the visualizations and graphs also over the application, but we due to the time limit we are not able to make the graphs and visualizations. And one more thing, we are not able to deploy this present application onto cloud also. So in the future work we can say that we can deploy this application to the a cloud, and we can show some visualizations also. Thank you.